Welcome back. So I have completed the theory portion of the chemical bonding chapter. So today I will be discussing few board questions. Okay. So before beginning with the discussion, please do hit the like button, share my video with your friends and subscribe my channel. Let's begin. Okay. The first type of question is an objective type question, which is a MCQ type, that is a multiple choice question. So you will be given a statement and four options will be given to you. You need to choose the correct option which satisfy the given statement. Okay, let's begin. So the first question is, a compound X consists of only molecules X will have. So you have said that you have a compound X and which consists of only molecules. So what will be the property or nature of X? The options given to you are crystalline hard structure, which is not possible because as it has only molecules, it cannot have a crystalline hard structure. Okay, only ions have a crystalline hard structure. An ionic bond, which is also not possible because it is not an electrovalent compound. A strong force of attraction between it, it's all the characteristic of an electrovalent compound. So only option which you are left behind is option B, which is a low melting point and a low boiling point, because your X will be covalent, and the property of a covalent compound is it has a low melting and boiling point. So you need to mark this. While you're answering in your answer script, you need to mark the option B plus the given statement along with it, that is melting point and low boiling point. Okay, so now let's go to the next question. It states that a molecule with a which consists of three triple covalent bonds. So you need to know the structure of all the four compounds. First one is ammonia. What is the structure of ammonia? Here we have three covalent bonds but all are single bonded. Okay, what is the structure of methane? Here also you can see there are four single covalent bonds. What is the structure of water? Here are two single bonds covalent, and the last one is nitrogen. This is the structure of nitrogen molecule. Here you can see the molecule consists of three double bonds, triple bonds. So the option is D, correct option. Okay, very simple question comes. Your objective portion are very simple. You can score full 40 out of 40 there. Third one, third MCQ that is given to you is, okay, you're given four compounds and you need to choose the compound which has all the three bonds, that is your ionic, covalent and coordinate. So let us know the structure of each one of the compounds. Ammonia, just I've done earlier. Ammonia has only covalent bonds. Okay, it does not have ionic or coordinate ones. This is not a correct one. Sodium hydroxide, structure of sodium hydroxide is Na. Okay, sodium hydroxide exists as Na plus O minus. That means it is highly electrovalent in nature because of the charge separation it has. So it has only ionic bond, not possible. Calcium chloride is similar structure to magnesium chloride, where you will involve with transfer of electron from calcium to chlorine. So it has only ionic bond, not possible. The last one is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is NH4Cl, which can be written as NH4 plus Cl minus. So here we get an ionic bond. Now NH4 plus is formed from ammonia plus hydrogen ion. Here we will be seeing a coordinate bond, and ammonia itself has a covalent bond discussed here. So this is the correct option. Okay. Next question is state which is not a typical property of an ionic compound. So here you are given four properties. You need to just find out which is not the property of an ionic compound. High melting point it has because of strong interaction. Conduct electricity in molten aqueous. Yes, ions are free to move about. Are insoluble in water. This is only wrong because ionic compounds are soluble in water because water itself are polar and ionic compounds are also polar. So polar dissolve. Exists as opposite charged ions even in solid state. Obviously, ionic compounds are formed when two opposite charges attract each other. So this is a property of an ionic compound. So this is the correct answer. Option C. Okay. Next one. The last MCQ. Metal lose electron during ionization. So what kind of change it is? Since metals are losing electron, this is a key word. Lose electron. As it is a loss of electron, we know a process oxidation, which is a loss of electron. Reduction is a gain of electron. Redox is where both simultaneously oxidation and reduction take place. Here only metals are losing electron. No one is taking up the electron, so we cannot say it is a redox reaction. And displacement, there is no displacement of atom from one place to another. So the correct option is oxidation. Okay, this was the first type of objective question, that is the MCQ. The next type of objective question which you will see is the fill in the blanks type of question, where you are given fill in the blanks and four options are given to you. You need to just choose from the brackets. Okay, covalent chloride have which kind of bond? You will ask. Sodium chloride has an ionic bond because of the charge separation, opposite charge, because sodium and chlorine, sodium loses an electron which is accepted by chlorine and the opposite charge attract each other to form NaCl. Ammonium ion, which kind of bond will they have? They have both covalent and coordinate, discussed in the previous slide only. Carbon tetrachloride, it is completely covalent, structure is similar to methane itself, okay? Where each chlorine shares one electron pair with carbon. So the correct option is covalent bond. In covalent compounds, the bond is formed due to sharing of electrons, okay? And in electrovalent compounds, you will have transfer of electrons. Why sharing? Because of the low electronegativity difference between the two combining atoms. Okay, electrovalent compounds have a higher low melting boiling point, high boiling point because of a strong force of attraction existing between the combining atoms. A molecule of dash contains triple bond. Hydrogen structure is single bonded HH. Ammonia also single bonded. So nitrogen is only left which has its triple bond because three valence electrons are involved in sharing to form three electron pair. Okay. The compound that does not have a lone pair. Lone pair are the electron pairs which do not take part in bond formation. So water has two lone pairs over oxygen. Ammonia also has a lone pair over nitrogen. I'm not drawing the full structure. Okay, these are the lone pairs. And carbon tetrachloride, it is completely covalent in nature and does not have any lone pair. Okay, so compound which does not have is the answer carbon tetrachloride. Clear? The third type of question is the name the following. Either you are given a statement, you just need to give a technical term for it. So the first question it says the formation of ions from molecules. Since you are forming an ion from molecules, this is known as ionization. You're converting molecules into ions. Okay, the process is called ionization. The next question is a technical term for bond formed by a shared pair of electrons with both electrons coming from same atom. Obviously, it cannot be electrovalent because it is already said shared pair. So it is out of the question. Now between covalent and coordinate, in covalent, both the atoms will be involved in sharing. But here only one atom is contributing both the shared pair of electron. So the answer is coordinate bond. Okay. So I have completed all the objective type question which can be framed from this chemical bonding portion. In my next video, I will be discussing the broad question which comes in the part 2 of the question paper. Okay, thank you.